Hi, my name is Asia Henry, and I feel like Mr. Alanis brought a lot to the team. He most definitely helped us in a huge way with our students that we were having behavior problems with. Most definitely got them from point A to point B. They did a drastic change by the end of the school year, which was amazing. I feel like he was very supportive. Whenever we called, he was coming. Whatever we needed, he was there for us. What pretty much whatever we asked for in whatever aspect it was, he gave us what we needed and made sure that he did his best to take care of the situation at hand to the best of his knowledge. Um, we had a student from the beginning. Most definitely, when I first met her, didn't talk. She would barely say anything. But by the end of the year, with her having her meetings with Mr. Alanis and going back and supporting him helping her, trusting her trusting him to get her what she needed. By the end of the year, she was having full blown conversations with not only the teacher but her peers also. She went from having accidents to having none at all, from not taking naps to taking naps at the end of the year. It was a complete total change.